Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video of Quick Guide. Today in this video I'm going to show you how you can delete your Zoom's profile picture. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Now to delete your Zoom's profile picture, firstly open your Google search. Type in Zoom web portal and make a search. Click on the first link shown on the page. Enter your email address and password associated with your Zoom's account. After entering your email address and password associated with your Zoom account, click on Sign In. Scroll all the way down and click on your profile picture. To delete your profile picture, click on Delete. This is how you can delete your Zoom's profile picture quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching.